In 2008, J.K. Rowling delivered a commencement speech at Harvard. She spoke not about her massive success, but about failure, how she was broke, divorced, and raising a child alone when she felt like she had lost sight of everything she once dreamed of. She said, "Rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life." Her story isn't just about fame or fantasy novels. It's about how easy it is to lose your way and how powerful it is to find it again. If you feel like your dreams have slipped through your fingers, you're not alone. But more importantly, you're not stuck. Let's talk about what you can do when you lose sight of your dreams and how to get back on your path, even if it feels like you've been off it for years. Point 1. Acknowledge the disconnection. Losing sight of your dreams usually doesn't happen overnight. It happens slowly with distractions, burnout, responsibilities, and self-doubt piling on. But the first step in finding clarity again is simply admitting that you've drifted. Ask yourself, when did I last feel inspired? What used to excite me that now feels out of reach? Am I living on autopilot? This kind of honest self-inventory is uncomfortable but necessary. If you're not honest about how far you've drifted, you won't know which way to turn. Point 2. Reconnect with your why. Simon Sinek, author of Start With Why, emphasizes that people don't get burned out from working hard. They get burned out when they forget why they started. What did your dream represent to you? Was it freedom, impact, creativity, security? Maybe the specific dream changed, but the deeper why behind it is still there. Try this. Write down your old dream. Then ask yourself why you wanted it. Ask again and again. Go at least 5 levels deep. You might find that the core of your dream is still alive. It's just wearing a different outfit now. Point 3. Let go of the timeline. A huge reason many people abandon their dreams is because life didn't unfold fast enough. In the US, we live in a culture of urgency. By 25, you're supposed to have a degree. By 30, a house. By 35, success. But these are made-up milestones. Vera Wong designed her first dress at 40. Colonel Sanders started KFC in his 60s. Your dream didn't expire. You just believed a false deadline. Drop the pressure. Start from where you are, not where you think you should be. Point 4. Focus on micro-movements. One of the biggest mistakes we make is thinking that big dreams require big moves. But the truth is, progress hides in the small steps. If you wanted to be a filmmaker, maybe today you just write one scene. If you dreamed of opening a business, brainstorm 5 ideas and research competitors. Momentum isn't built by waiting for motivation. It's built by taking consistent, imperfect action. Set one tiny goal a day toward rediscovering your dream. Keep it small. Keep it daily. Point 5. Redefine what the dream looks like now. Sometimes we lose sight of our dreams because they were based on who we were, not who we've become. Life teaches you, stretches you, even reshapes you. That's not failure, it's growth. Maybe your old dream isn't right anymore. That doesn't mean you failed. It means it's time to evolve. Ask yourself, what kind of life do I want now? What values matter more to me today? What dream aligns with the person I've become? It's okay to pivot. In fact, it might be the bravest thing you do. Point 6. Surround yourself with dreamers. Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." If you're surrounded by people who have given up, who mock ambition, who don't believe in growth, it's easy to stay stuck. Seek out podcasts, books, communities, and real conversations that remind you what's possible. The environment you're in either waters your dreams or dries them out. Point 7. Allow space for grace. Finally, don't beat yourself up for feeling lost. The fact that you're aware of the disconnection means something inside you is still alive. Give yourself permission to grow at your pace. Healing your vision doesn't happen through force. It happens through patience, curiosity, and self-compassion. As author Brené Brown says, owning our story and loving ourselves through that process is the bravest thing we'll ever do. Just because you've lost sight of your dream doesn't mean it's lost forever. Sometimes, the detour is the most important part of the journey. Reconnect, redefine, restart. You can always begin again today.